We're out here today digging out the septic, or digging the hole to put the septic in and run all the wire in and piping for the well. So that's awesome. That's where the septic is going to go, right next to the house. So here we are at the well, they're just burying the pipe, flattening the ground. This is the drain, or the sprinkler system, I guess, for the aerobic system. This is piped out to 2 sprinklers. Oh. Here. So they're about to unload the septic tank right now. So we got them covering up the septic tank now once they aligned it and everything. Adding the compressors in and everything else that needs to go in. It's moving along quickly now.